Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn some animals' name. The first animal is a shark. A shark is a sea animal. The next one is a dog. A dog is a farm animal. This is a dog. The next animal is a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
A starfish. This is a starfish.
With a here and a
The next one is a sea